here is an update on the 757 and 60 northbound interchange. So here can be from 1960. That's rare. That's a yellow exit number sign. So they're going to connect over there. So all this will be torn down. This part of the connector will be torn down. It's going to be used for a new off-ramp bridge. Sound walls complete. Looks like the off ramp is going to be right there. Well, it might be a one-in off ramp because the bridge looks too skinny. And then they might keep this sign right here. And this lane might still be accessed. They're keeping that sign, I think, or they're gonna remove it. What's brand new? Yep, they're gonna keep it right there for traffic heading eastbound system. And also look at this. Get closer to the bridge. Look at all of the bridge. That came from the bridge. All that came from the bridge. All of that. Yeah, they came and dumped it all over here. And they replace it. You can tell that's how they're gonna widen it that much. See that new retaining wall right there. And no, I think it's the old one. That's the old one actually. Yes, the old one. Here's the other path. And here's a bridge. See, it was built in 1970. So only a portion of it was demolished. But There's a new bridge. If you look to your left, that's a ghost right there.